Bro, this is going to be a challenge, dog. Alright, cool. Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard and today we have, you've seen them before, but we have Alex and Astia. They're not really excited because I challenge them today. Again, today we are to do 100 nuggets in 10 minutes challenge. Them say Alex is a beast. You see me? I will establish that from the last video. Alex is a beast and you can do it?
Oh.
Slap 10.
Yeah, 10 minutes?
Yeah. So if it's 100 nuggets in our 10 minutes, that means that each of us gonna have 33.33333. And that 33.33333. Maths up, bro. So we are opening all of the sauce right now because just for when the time start, we have an in-house audience, in-studio audience. I keep time. Camille, you want to say hi?
Whoa.
You want to wave? Or you just want to talk? You want to wave?
Want me to pop up?
You want to pop up? Yeah, you can pop up.
Wait, oh God.
Let's go. We don't. You want me to cut it?
Don't worry.
No, we're not cutting. Let's go. So, Camille. Camille, keep the time. I keep the 10 minutes.
I have to pace myself.
No, Askia, we have to go in. Because it have to be done.
I know.
Because we not feel.
We're not feel.
You see me?
Yeah.
So.
Dog of the buck creep.
Outside.
Yeah.
I'm not really excited for this, bro. I'm not excited. I'm not excited. Oh, this time remember for the thumbnail. This time we actually do the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Alex have video like a fan and a him at the night. I don't understand.
Alright, we need to sort out the table still. Cause
No, man.
This is
Alright, wait.
That is yours.
No, man. We just eat. No, wait. We just
Bye.
we just a slap.
Yeah.
Yo, when you should have seen the lady face when I order 100 nuggets. It did funny. She did think I want prank. Anyways, we're done chatting now. As I say, big up on yourself. Like, comment, and share the video before we start. Tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. You see me? Big up on yourself. Wait, by the time this drop, Christmas gone. Merry belated Christmas.
Just a Merry Christmas, brother.
1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas.
You see me? Alright, cool.
And Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year.
When it comes.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna stop delaying. 100 nuggets, 10 minutes. Let's go. Camille, ready, set, mark, set, go.
Bro, we shot 10 nuggets. We shot 10 nuggets.
You know what?
We shot 10 nuggets, bro.
Bro, point. Just realize it's harder than I think.
Yeah, I thought the sauce should work in my favor.
I'm not making a difference. We're not gonna have a conversation about this candle. This candle.
40 seconds gone already.
The barbecue help. The barbecue help. Guys, this is hard, I'm think.
If you check them down 2 by 2.
2 by 2.
Ready?
I'm gonna punch everything down.
1 down.
One down. You don't stop doing all that. Terrible.
Yo.
What's that?
No, this too easy. Dog.
It's too easy.
It's too easy.
It's too easy. And that's something else here?
It's like a sludge.
If you slick,
Going down.
ew.
Yo, we need some juice, bro. Water not cut it, bro.
There's a top. Where we just start? Honestly, if I use,
They're not here, yeah?
they're not here. But just I use YouTube. From it. Alright. Can't put a top.
Stomach, I say, yo.
Ease up. Yo, ease up.
So, don't think I eat the party, bro.
It's not good, young.
Kind of hard for you, bro. I mean,
Guys, if you give me a like right now, I promise, just a speed up. Like the video. Comment. Share. Let's go. Subscribe. Subscribe. Why me do this? Why me
I
do this?
might not, bro, that open.
You know, use your brain.
Can you give me that? You know?
Dog. We don't make a dent, no? What's that? What's that?
6 minutes.
It's a typo.
Sorry, Paul.
You feel like I eat for deals.
Just 4 minutes here. I eat for
You know what, my friend? Dog. At least eat off 77 already. Not tell them. At least. At least.
You don't know anything already?
Mm-hmm.
Don't you second on it?
At least.
Don't you second on it?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know shit like that? Ask her, yo. Whoa.
Beast!
You know, ask her to take over from me.
I don't eat a lot, guys. That's the thing, you know.
Alright, me not like. Not 77, but probably like 43. Me talk 43 but I'm still You're good.
You know, eat 20.
Me talk 43 but I'm still already my tell
Boy,
This is weird because,
it's just saying to overeat, you know. That's the thing you guys know.
Ask her, what I forgot, bro.
yo,
Take this.
But, no man, mega start, you know. Boy.
this don't make no sense because purpose never eat to them.
Yeah, man, me see biscuit and say no.
Yo,
Food probably have 5 more.
brother, stop the talking and start eating, bro. Why?
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 Yo, if a girl start cheating, I'm gonna come burn them out.
Excuse me.
So we talking and start eating. What's that?
4:26.
No, dog.
Bro, I have to start double up and triple up already.
Wants to make it worse.
Can't deep throat them thing, you know.
Ooh.
Why?
Stop it time, stop it time. Stop it time, stop it time, stop it time.
Boy. This is nice.
Bro,
Stick with the
The honey
regular
mustard
sauces.
and the barbecue. No, the sweet and sour.
I'm to your back of earth,
your back hurt me, dog. Back hurt me, dog.
Whoa.
Back hurt me, dog.
Whoa. Whoa. Back pain gone, daddy.
Let's get all the way, dog. On the team. All the way. Food is a fly with a mouth, dog.
You find always cheap, bro. Come on, bro.
As a Jamaican man.
Wait. See, yeah, I'm heading on to my third one. I'm not doing the last one, you know. I'm not finishing my last one. Get this to my mother.
One more down.
Let's get some neck as my mother. Okay.
Forgetting.
We can do it.
We have 3 minutes left.
I'm sorry.
We can do it, my tell.
Hold
I'm
on.
sorry.
this looks so doable in my brain. Because nuggets small.
Not man.
So much salt.
We can do it now.
Yo, 5 minutes so we lose, bro. Stop. No negative.
I'm sorry. You can do it.
Alright, now.
Belly, I talk to me now.
Let's
Yeah.
go, guys. Let's go.
Yeah.
Marvin.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, so
Alright,
one more
alright.
box.
Alright.
Take up your last one, bro.
Alright.
This is my last one.
Where's the one?
I'm sorry. I'm pull out.
Yeah. Whoa, what? What else? Which video you doing right now?
Yeah, but 1 minute left, bro.
Yo, 1 minute.
2 minutes, 2 minutes.
I am not committed. I'm sorry. And I'm okay.
Oh God.
Mommy, this
Just
one is
try.
for you.
Just try me, please.
Man. Unless you want me to puke.
I'm gonna feed you.
I want to go.
Yeah, punk on the thing now.
No,
I
that's
want to ask you.
we don't. One more thing left.
Try it, dog. Try it.
See?
By the time.
The phone is too.
123.
It's only got hot shoot. Mommy, you this, yeah? God send me not for overeat.
Yo, you're not gonna do this. We can do it now.
I'm gonna lose already.
We not lose. If it's time, we're gonna lose.
Sit here. Mom's happy Mother's Day.
What's this? Happy birthday.
So much salt, dog.
See one?
You can't ask for them, dog.
Of course, that you tell them to do.
Oh my God.
Wrong video ask you. Who? Which channel is this? Do it.
Are you last one that?
Yeah, do it. I can't do it. Yeah. Have it down.
That's the last one? Look at yourself.
Oh my God, dog. Yo, we can.
That's it time.
Yeah, yes, thank you.
Wow. Alright, here one.
Mommy?
We have a count, that's how much you do. Me not like ask there, you let me down.
Oh.
You just give up midway.
You didn't give up?
No little teamwork.
What do you mean?
You just give up.
Do that?
Me try. We try. What's the man mode? We try.
Now we're eating with the same place. Yeah, talk about.
We try.
Give me dog.
You don't need to say him.
This don't make no sense.
You mean?
Nugget small. This don't make no sense.
How much nugget?
Yo, me slap tree and go, wait.
Ask me.
Wait.
All three of me are mine, bro.
So wait, so no four of them eat
And
that.
30 nuggets.
Get them out of the fort. Wait.
This is my fourth one.
No, they're too light. 2 years, bro.
This not go down.
I'm not joking. I am not joking.
That can't be.
This not go down.
I treated it up.
3 we eat, dog.
Wait, more count. That's how much we have leave. Guys, I don't want to call this a fail. Let's just say
Oh, fail.
it was practice. I wanna fail things around here.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
See, I count a lot for
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
4, 5,
11 nuggets left.
7, 8,
Almost
9, 10, 11, 12.
11 me have and you cuss me
14.
that
I 12 1, you chat too much. 14.
Oh.
11 plus 14 how much? 25?
What do you mean I 201?
That nice, no?
What do you mean I 201?
Whoa.
Him just say
11
it have
plus
everything.
14 is 25,
You
no?
don't just say it have everything.
11 plus 14 is 25.
Yeah.
100 minus 25?
75.
75. We're not bad. 75 25 nuggets in a 10 minutes?
That's greedy.
Beast! Beast!
I mean, that's 3 of us.
And you know, different is still, and the 25 left, the lady give you extra. She give you 25 extra. And that time, you know? And that time, she give you 25 extra. Because we mash it up. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching Howard's World. We try. If there are any other challenges you want to see we do, leave it in the comments, please. Please comment down below and say ask you a punk. I'd like to see that.
$20 nugget.
$20 nugget. Ask you a punk, you see me? Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend.